In this video, I will show you how to claim Perplexity Pro using Airtel app. After searching Airtel, you can see the official website that appear on the top. Just click on that. Now you can see postpaid and prepaid. I use prepaid, so I click on the prepaid view plan. Click on any recharge plan you want. If you have already recharged, you can directly go to your Airtel Thanks app. After opening your Airtel Thanks app, now you will see two options, reward and OTT. Or you can directly click on get free Perplexity Pro AI worth 17,000. After clicking on that, it is showing me validity and manage option because I have already claimed it. In your screen, the claim option will come, not manage option. Click on that claim option and claim your 12-month validity of Perplexity Pro and enjoy.